So if your Sharp TV doesn't turn on any longer, and there's a little light next to the Sharp logo in the front of the screen, and it'll blink real fast and then it'll blink really slow, I want to first show you how to troubleshoot this. So while it's still powered on, what I want you to do is hold the volume down button right here, and it could look different on different Sharp TVs, and it may be on top, but this one's on the side, and it doesn't matter if it's a smart Sharp or whatever version LCD you have. So you want to hold down the volume button, and you want to hold down the channel up button at the same time. Don't let go, and then hit power. So all three at the same time, like this. And that'll turn it on. Now, if for whatever reason it doesn't turn it on, go to the next step. Now, the first thing I want you to do is unplug it from the wall, and then what I want you to do is try to connect another device to that power outlet. If another device, like a hairdryer or a phone, doesn't work, then you know it's not your Sharp TV, it's just that power outlet. There may be it might have tripped, the power outlet might have tripped for some reason or some issue like that. And so go ahead and do that. Next thing what I want you to do is unplug the cord from the TV itself. So this, as you can see here, here's the power cord that goes into the TV and it pulls out. If your Sharp TV has that ability and it has this cord, pull it out, and again, make sure it's plugged out of the wall, no power whatsoever, and then you hold down the power button. And I want you to hold it down for at least 60 seconds, if not longer. Just keep holding it down, and then let go, and then plug it back into the TV, and then back into the wall, and then power it on and see if it'll work. If it doesn't work, then we're going to go to the second method. Second method is to examine your AC cord. It's a possibility that this is bad, and this particular one is called a non-polarized. It's like a figure 8. Some Sharp TVs use this one, but some will use a polarized. And a polarized, as you can see here on my LCD or on my LC Sharp TV, it has a box on one end. It's got a round on one end and then like a box. That's called a polarized AC cord. And what I want you to do, first of all, whichever your Sharp uses, the polarized or the non-polarized, I want you to verify. And then I want you to check around your home and see if you have another one that's hanging around somewhere. You could use another one. You're not going to hurt the TV or another device by switching these out because they're the same voltage. They come in like printers have these cords in them. Printers, Xbox One, PlayStation, those have the non-polarized cords. CPAP machines, coffee makers, all kinds of appliances. So you might have another one. If you can locate one, go ahead and plug your TV in with the new cord and then see if that works. If you can't locate one, you can get them on Amazon, you can get them on eBay. Just type in whichever is yours, the non-polarized or polarized cord. Go ahead and type that into the search on Amazon or wherever, and then see if your Sharp TV will work then. Now, after you've tried that, next thing I want you to do, a little tip, unplug it again from the wall, no power whatsoever, and then what I want you to do is go ahead and blow like this. Do cold air, so basically you're knocking the dust out on the Sharp TV, knocking around. If there's a side vent on the Sharp TV, go ahead and hit the side, the top, and then let it cool down. I want you to do this for a good 5 minutes. If it doesn't work for whatever reason, what I want you to do is actually put it on hot and do it for another 7 to 10 minutes. Hot while it's still unplugged. And what you're doing is actually you're heating up the components and they're cooling down, and sometimes that will actually get it to work. If you haven't tried this already with your remote, go ahead and pull the batteries out and then do the same thing like you did on the TV and hold the power button down for 10 seconds. About 10 to 20 seconds. Put the batteries back in. Make sure you got good batteries. And then see if you can turn on your Sharp TV. See if that will work. Alright, I do appreciate you watching. Have a good one.